as the holy grail of the environment and as a way to solve all of our environmental issues. But is that really the case? The thing with recycling is that, many people have tried to incorporate it in their lives, reduce waste and all of that. But recycling can actually be a pretty costly process. What I mean by that is that building up a new waste recycling unit takes up a lot of capital. And the accompanying costs include buying different kinds of utility vehicles, upgrading the recycling unit, waste, and chemical disposal, and schooling the locals by initiating useful programs and seminars. All of that would require a lot of money, meaning that in less developed countries or in countries that struggle financially, such as Greece, it would be really hard to incorporate and basically make it a lifestyle or anything similar. Moving on to the next one, it is waste. Now, the thing with waste is that whether we're recycling or not, waste and pollution are inevitable. Like, whether we're talking about a renewable energy factory or like any type of factory, it will still have fumes and all of that. So it will cause air pollution, and if we were to build more factories, that would just increase. On top of that, it can cause massive water pollution because the health risks, and also puts the dedicated individuals responsible for recycling these waste products at risk, because they come in touch with all these germs, and sometimes the landfills they're placed in have great conditions for bacteria development, which could come in touch with water, making it polluted and therefore making us struggle with water consumption because we wouldn't have water sources. On top of that, products from recycled waste are oftentimes not durable. Because these products are manufactured from recycled waste, they're made of trash waste material collected from mountains of other waste materials, and they have been overly utilized and are therefore fragile. This makes the product less durable and more expensive because it took a longer process to produce them and more people were involved. So we're basically having lower quality products for higher prices. Now, this brings me back to a previous argument, I would say, which is recycling is not widespread on a large scale. Now, in order for it to be really efficient, we would all have to get involved. But what happens is that many people are not schooled enough and are not aware of, the proper ways to do it, meaning that it is not very realistic, since it is not many people are involved in it. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.
picture, I guess.